It was one for the books that you took the risk of finding a cab from Dubai to the Oman border and then move forward, uh, see if the border will be open, if your visa is correct or not, if you will find people or not, if you will find taxis or not, and how much they will charge.
सिक्योरिटी बहुत अच्छी थी वहाँ के, मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हमें थोड़ा सा डर लग रहा था क्योंकि अलार्म बजा था, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि भाई एकदम से हमारे सामने कुछ हुआ हो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ।
Due to that flight cancellations है ना and all, people are मतलब people are economically getting impacted because बहुत महंगा है वहाँ पर रहना, है ना, खाना पीना सब चीज़ महंगा है वहाँ पर, तो वो बेसिक प्रॉब्लम है।
Dubai, the defense system was totally unbelievable, and that's why we felt very safe.
Quite scary, but I never felt unsafe.
See, if you talk about it like that, definitely it was one for the books that you took the risk of finding a cab from Dubai to the Oman border and then move forward, see if the border will be open, if your visa is correct or not, if you will find people or not, if you will find taxis or not, and how much they will charge. So from that point of view, God willing, we have the resources कि हमने वो किया, इसीलिए मैं किसी को ये भी नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि you go and do it, because रात में I think 9:30 बजे अभी क्रॉस्ड ओवर द बॉर्डर, और बॉर्डर वाले वो छोड़ ही नहीं रहे थे बिना किसी एक आरसी, मतलब किसी गाड़ी की आरसी के। तो वो बड़ा मुश्किल था कि कैसे गाड़ी मिलेगी, कितने बजे ओमान मस्कट एयरपोर्ट पहुँचेंगे, नई कंट्री है, मैं पहली बार जा रहा हूँ, तो वो सब मतलब डेफिनेटली आई वुड से एडवेंचर, बट हाँ आई वुड से स्टिल यूज़ दैट वर्ड वेरी सोच समझ के, बिकॉज टफ तो था देखो, और ऑब्वियसली रिसोर्सेज अगर नहीं हो आपके पास तो बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है आपको।
सो एक्सपीरियंस की बात की जाए तो पूरे इस समय के दौरान क्या कुछ आप लोगों ने वहाँ पे फील किया? मिसाइल्स, ड्रोन्स, देयर वर सेवरल थिंग्स, वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर विद अस?
सी दुबई में एज सच कुछ ऐसा इशू, it was all business as usual. They were very good at interception of missiles and the drones. कुछ भी 2-3 जो निकले हैं, मतलब जो डिब्री गिरा है, मिसाइल्स या वो नहीं, डिब्री ही गिरा था, और वो भी कुछ स्पेसिफिक एरियाज़ में। एंड जो इंटरसेप्शन की जो आवाज़ आ रही थी ऊपर से, मतलब जो उनकी जो थर्ड मिसाइल्स जो उनके ईरान के रोक रहे थे वो लोग, उसकी जो आवाज़ थी वो बस वो स्कैरी थी, वो बहुत आ रही थी। तो वो आप देख रहे हो, यू आर सीइंग दैट कि ओके हो रहा है, आवाज़ आ रही है, देन यू गेटिंग द अलर्ट ऑन योर फोन दैट प्लीज स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द विंडोज़, डोर्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड बी सेफ। तो वो डरावना था, रात में हर 2 घंटे पे जो आ रहा था वो डरावना था, बट इट वॉज, आई थिंक इट हैज़ मीटर डाउन नाउ अलॉट। उस समय तो डर लगा था, झूठ क्यों बोलूँ, बट ठीक है, वी फाउंड आवर वे आउट। सो
पहले पूरा गाड़ी से आप लोगों ने ट्रैवल किया, उसके बाद यू गॉट फ्लाइट एंड देन यू केम टू दिल्ली।
yeah, so Dubai Oman border by car, and then Oman border से Muscat by car, and then by flight. Yeah.
Dubai was very smooth. So border control is smooth in Oman, so there's no problem as such. In Dubai, Oman, border control is very smooth. Flights are costly via Oman because I paid like 1 lakh rupees for an economy ticket. So otherwise it's also okay.
Okay, so do you get any safety measures from India, or is there any?
I didn't need any. I didn't ask. There's nothing mess. Dubai is functioning very normally. Dubai is functioning like as it used to function. Spirits are high. Government is very supportive there. That's what I heard. Even the tourists who are stranded, they're getting free accommodation, food, everything. So government is very
Fully
supportive.
supported by the government for the Indian citizens.
Yeah, Dubai government is very supportive that way.
UAE government was very helpful,
The UAE government
and
is amazing.
when we had a great experience, we felt very safe in Dubai. They really looked after us in every way to make us feel very safe. Even at the airport, before boarding,
Superb
safety precautions were taken. They gave us water, they gave us juices at the airport. So everything was really looked after. I think whatever,
I have no words to
I think there was a lot more hype
much
by
gratitude and great gratitude
in
to the
in
Indian
India,
government and
of
to
course,
the
which
UAE
is normal. So everyone got more scared. But
I was here.
Dubai,
We were there.
the defense system was totally unbelievable, and that's why we felt very safe. And all, no, nothing. It was normal life in Dubai. Everything was going on as planned. but we felt very safe in Dubai.
Looking at the missiles interception, was it scary for the moment at least?
Of course, when you hear the noises, you feel scared, but otherwise, there was life as normal, and we felt very safe. The government did every way to make us residents, feel safe, or tourists feel safe. So, taxis were functioning well, malls were functioning well. People were very helpful there.
Experience, like what sort of kind of experience of the life, and how do you explain it?
Yeah. I mean, I hope no one has to go through this again. And whoever is stranded, hopefully they can also make their way out safe and sound back to the family.
Sir, are you relieved and back into India?
Yeah, I think my wife was.
I'm so relieved.
I was in Dubai with my children, so she's more relieved, of course, seeing us.
We were mostly indoors. There were missiles overhead, but they were intercepted. The city otherwise was safe. Everything was more or less open. It was chaotic on Saturday, but once everything cleared, we realized we weren't in any real danger, and it seemed fine after that.
Finally, you have relieved from Dubai to India and you have
Yeah.
back to India. How did you feel now?
It feels great to be back home.
And did you receive any advisories, any update from Indian embassy over there?
We were notified online of the procedures, and we just followed it. And the moment the airports opened, we booked the tickets, and we were able to come back.
Overall, what's the situation in Dubai atmosphere and security? What do you say on that?
Everything is open. The malls are open, stores are open, restaurants are open. People are out and about, and it seems like life as usual by now.
It was very scary and also exciting. The airlines moved us to a 5-star hotel, and there were so many explosions happening around that hotel. It was pretty scary. So we're finally happy that we are back in India. We landed in India. I was so scared until the flight landed as well. So yeah.
Airport situations. Abu Dhabi, the airport situations, how was it?
So on the days when we landed 2 days ago, there were missiles being intercepted on the over the airport, Abu Dhabi airport, and I could hear so many explosions going off, and that was pretty scary. I could see fighter jets going on top of the airport, so it was scary.